Hello CIS scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the new topic subtraction with regrouping. So let's start. Let us see how to subtract with regrouping. Let us start with the first sum, 25 minus 8. First we will write these numbers in a correct column. Here is the column of tens and ones. So we are going to start 2 in tens column, 5 in ones column. Then we will write 8 in ones column because it's a single digit number. So here it's a 8. Now we will use the sign of minus. It's a subtraction. Okay. Now we will start from ones column. So here is the number 5. 5 minus 8. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number is 8. We have to subtract 8. But can we subtract 5 minus 8? 8 number is bigger than 5. So what we have to do is, to solve this problem, we need to regroup. So to regroup, we need to take one of the tens block for 10 ones. So let's move to the tens place. The number is 2. So 1, 2. So what we have to do is, we have to take the tens blocks for 10 ones. So let us take 1 from here. We will take 1 block from here. Okay. We have taken 1 tens and we are going to do it for 10 ones. So let's count 10 ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now it is 10 more we have added. Now let us count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Before how many we had? 5. So now we have 15. Now we have to change this number. 5 minus 8 could not be done, but 15 minus 8 can be done. So we will change the number 5, cross this and write 15. Now 15 minus 8. Now 15 is a bigger number. So we have to take away, or you can say minus 8 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. We will write 7 in ones column. Okay. Now we have borrowed 10 block for 10 ones, right? So we have borrowed it. Before it was 2. Now it is only 1. So we have to change this number. So we will put a cross on it and write 1. Now here there is no number. If there is no number, that means it is 0. So 1 minus 0, you will get the same answer. That is 1. So 25 minus 8 is 17. Let's see this number, 13 minus 5. We will write this number in a correct column. Here is a minus sign and the numbers are already written. 1 in tens column and 3 in ones column. 5 in ones column. So let's start. We will start from ones column. The number is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 5. We cannot do 3 minus 5. because 3 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract. So what we have to do is, we will move to the tens column. So the number is 1. Here it is, 1/10. We will borrow the number from here. So to regroup, we need to take one of these tens block for 10 ones. So we will take this 1/10 and we will do 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Before how many we had? 3. Now we have 13. So we will change the number 3, that we will put a cross and write 13. 13 minus 5. Now we will take away 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is your answer. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now we have to calculate tens column. Here it is 1, right? But here we have already taken 1/10 to ones. So we have to put a cross on 1 and write 0. Now here there is no number. So 0 minus 0, you will get the same answer, that is 0. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now let's move to the next slide. Now let's see this slide. 26 minus 8. So let us put these numbers in a correct column first. Tens and ones. So we will write 2 in tens column, 6 in ones column. Then 8 it is there. We will write in ones column. Subtraction sign. We will start from ones column. The number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 8. Can we minus 8 from here? No, because 6 is smaller than 8. So to solve this problem, we need to regroup. To regroup, we need to take one of these 10 blocks for 10 ones. So let's move to tens column. So here it is 2 tens. So 1, 2. So what we have to do is, we need to take one of these 10 block for 10 ones. So let us take one away from here. Okay. Now we will add in ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have more blocks in ones column. Before we had only 6. Now how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here the number is 6. So what we have to do is, we will put a cross on this number and write 16. Now, how much we have to subtract? That is 8. We have to take away 8 from here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 minus 8, the answer is 8. Now let's calculate the tens column. We are moving to tens column. Here it is 2 tens. But now you can see only 1. So we have to change this number. So we'll put a cross and write 1. So 1 minus 0. Again there is no number. So it is 0. 1 minus 0. You will get the same answer. That is 18. 26 minus 8. Your answer is 18. Students, you will practice these questions. Okay? I hope you will get the answer. Thank you.